I'll just share my screen. The previous presentations show how ASTI has been fulfilling its mandate to provide technology solutions in support of a productive and resilient society. These presentations, the webinar as a whole, aims to emphasize the need for legislative support that enables ASTI to contribute more and enhance its capabilities. These are our objectives falling under the visualized framework of ASTI's modernization. We want to upgrade our resources and operational techniques. We want to enhance our capabilities both in R&D and in our technical services as well, and cap all of these with a more competitive pay and benefits to our people. Several years ago, the Electronics Product Development Center, or EPDC, was established. It is recognized as a world-class facility designed to support the electronics industry by providing various technical support services to promote innovation and high-quality value product development. The slide shows the availability of the services as well as the upcoming services. These include prototyping PCBs to PCB assembly, to providing electromagnetic compatibility and interference tests, product safety tests for simple devices to ventilators and robotic equipment. Through the help of the Electronics Industry Association of the Philippines Incorporated, or EAPI, the EPDC have also established remarkable partnerships in the industry, academia, and international organizations. Through its prototyping and testing services, it helps its clients develop products that meet industry specifications and standards. Moreover, the EPDC gives the economical advantage by providing world-class services at competitive rates and in a timely manner, rather than other options abroad. Now, flashed on the screen is the allotted budget managed by ASTI from 2018 to 2020, both for the Project 2 of the EPIIC program and its R&D component, the EPIC Garage. It is recognized that a significant amount of budget is necessary to maintain EPDC's facilities and further expand its services. While efforts are made to increase EPDC's clientele, the reality is that it will take several years before EPDC's self-sustainability will be achieved. Hence, for EPDC, our legislative agenda is to position EPDC as a key enabler for economic recovery. This can be done in two approaches. The first is to transactionalize EPD services by encouraging local companies to utilize its services. The second is to institutionalize EPDC that will guarantee adequate budgetary support to maintain its quality of service. Next. The SMT infrastructures maintained by the DOST-ASTI, called the Information Network for Open and Viable Applications and Technology Exchange, or INNOVATE, is comprised of the National Research and Education Network, called the Philippine Research, Education, and Government Information Network, or PREGINET, and a national HPC and Science Cloud facility called the Computing and Archiving Research Environment, or CORE. A significant part of these infrastructures are the partnerships and collaborations that we undertake. And these are the activities that we put value into this SMT infrastructure. Currently, we maintain a strong alliance with SUCs that have strong research programs, and these SUCs act as our hubs in strategic locations across the country. Over the network layer, DOST-ASTI has likewise set up the systems and applications layer through the establishment of a high-performance computing, or HPC, data archiving and science cloud facility called CORE. Now, since 2008, the Institute has gained considerable competence in HPC and cloud computing. Presently, CORE caters to diverse users that include meteorologists, weather scientists, climate researchers, and others. Now, in terms of historical timeline, these are our numbers on the computing and storage capacity of CORE through the years. Over the recent years, we observed an increasing need for more storage and computing requirements. This is a good sign as it infers an increasing amount of R&D activities in the country. Now, given the increasing trend, we want to position the Innovate program as a key enabler for innovation. By institutionalizing the Innovate program, ASTI will have the capacity to meet the increasing demands for computing power and storage requirements, especially as the country positions itself for Industry 4.0. Now, our last agenda is concerned with its human resources. Now on the screen is our current employment status count and the educational attainment categorization of our staff. Current data shows the limited number of plantilla items, while most of its staff and are bachelor's degree holders. Now on the screen are our data on the number of staff that were hired and resigned from 2016 to 2020. Now, unfortunately, with the current situation, it became increasingly more difficult to keep our staff. We hope that with the help of legislation, working at ASTI will become more rewarding. Our legislative agenda is to make our human resource development program the key enabler for professionalism and increased commitment within the agency. To put this into action, part of our vision includes a new salary scale for the staff, as well as personnel retention incentive. To summarize, we presented 3 priority areas where legislative support is needed. When successfully enacted, the DOST-ASTI can surely meet the increasing demands of delivering technology solutions in support of a productive and resilient Filipino society. Thank you.